Hello guys, welcome back to Jestina's kitchen, and today's recipe is going to be a popular Gambian street food called Ebbeh. And if you're a seafood lover, this dish will be packed with plenty of crab with prawns. So if you're curious, don't go away. Watch the video up to the end because it's gonna be real fun and interesting to see how I'm gonna do that. Guess what? This special recipe is going to be prepared with cassava also. Here is the list of the ingredients of all we need for the ebbeh. First, peel the cassava by washing them and then cutting them into appropriate pieces. Then boil in salted water for 5 to 6 minutes until the cassava is tender. While the cassava is cooking, I'm going to grind or crush half habanero pepper. It's up to you. If you want it more spicy, you can add in more of the pepper. Be careful so the pepper don't get contact with your eyes. After grinding or crushing the pepper, I'm going to now add half of the cooked cassava into the grounded pepper. I'm now going to incorporate the palm oil into the remaining cooked cassava. If you don't want to add in palm oil, you can add in tomato paste, but I promise you that you will not get the taste and the color of the ebbeh because it's not gonna taste the same. Allow the mixture to simmer gently until it achieves the desired thickness. After the mixture has been simmering for about a few minutes, add in the smoked catfish and allow it to cook. Employ a fork or pestle to partially mash the cooked cassava. Whilst the ebbeh is simmering, incorporate the mashed cassava. As you can observe, the cassava is now sticky and thick, and that is going to bring out the thickness of the ebbeh. After doing that, let the ebbeh continue to simmer on low temperature until it starts to thicken. As you can observe, the ebbeh has begun to thicken. Lower the temperature to low setting. Enhancing the pinchiness by adding more chili peppers. I have already prepared the crab and the prawns, and make sure that you do that properly before incorporating them into the ebbeh. Wow guys, we now add in the crab and the prawns. This is going to be a real seafood recipe. It's gonna be yummy and tasty. You can incorporate oysters too if you want to. After adding in the seafood, I'm going to input the desired quantity of lime or lemon and the tamarind. And this is going to bring out that sourness into the ebbeh. Wow, look at the tamarind. Input the desired quantity of it and stir. Stir gently until everything is incorporated. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. This is going to be absolutely tasty. It's going to be yummy, yummy, guys. I'm telling you, if you try this one, you will never stop doing it. That's why it is very, very, very popular in Gambia. So don't waste time. Make your own. Guys, I have one more ingredient that I'm going to add in, which is pre-cooked catfish eggs. May be added as an optional ingredient. It tastes very good in ebbeh. And it should not be very thick. If you feel that it's very thick, cook some water and then add it in to your satisfaction or to the consistency that you want. It should look exactly like this. I am adding some seasoning to taste. It can be salt or Maggi cube, it's up to you. I have added some Maggi cube and bouillon. And now guys, the ebbeh is now ready for consumption. Wow, look at the crab. Wow. It is most palatable when served very hot. Guys, wow, I just can't wait. It's gonna be yummy and mouth-watering. It appears both appetizing and delicious, guys, isn't it? So guys, this is all what I have for you today from my kitchen to your kitchen, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoy what I'm doing, don't forget to give me thumbs up, comment, like, and share to help this little channel grow. And see you next week in another edition. Bye. Take care of yourselves. I love you all and stay blessed. Bye.